Ever wondered how Floki is performing in the current crypto market? Well, let's dive right in. Recently, Floki, a formidable contender in the crypto world, has been making waves with positive price action. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the story they tell, and Floki's story is one of robust performance. This digital currency has managed to surpass key technical levels and trend lines, proving its resilience and potential in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. At the moment, Floki is trading at a price level of approximately $0.001901. Not too shabby, right? But it's not all about the current price. It's also about the stance this price indicates. Right now, Floki is strutting a bullish stance. In layman's terms, this means that Floki's price is expected to rise. It's like the bull charging ahead, unstoppable and unyielding, ready to trample any obstacles in its path. This bullish stance is a strong indicator of potential for further gains. Now, in the world of crypto, nothing's ever certain, but the signs are promising. Floki's recent performance has been impressive, surpassing key technical levels and showing a bullish trend, which is a positive sign for current holders and potential investors alike. And it's not just us saying this. Analysts across the board are optimistic about Floki's performance. They're not just predicting a rally, they're predicting a sharp rally in the near future. So if you're looking for a crypto that's showing promise and potential, Floki might just be the one to watch. So, what can we expect from Floki in the coming days? Let's dive right into it. Floki has been on a roll, showing positive price action by surpassing key technical levels and trend lines. The current price stands at a promising 5 zeros, followed by 1901 with a bullish stance. This indicates potential for further gains, and analysts are watching this closely. But what's the buzz all about? The excitement is largely due to the expectation of a sharp rally towards 5 zeros followed by 2500. Yes, you heard it right. The anticipation is building, and the sentiment data is echoing this optimism. The overall mood in the market is positive, with indicators pointing towards a bullish trend. This isn't just a short-term fluke. The long-term indicators are also painting a bullish picture, suggesting that Floki could be on the cusp of a significant upward movement. But as we all know, the world of cryptocurrencies can be unpredictable. Despite the positive outlook, it's crucial to keep in mind that market conditions can change rapidly. The current support levels are at 5 zeros, followed by 1750 and 1600, which serve as safety nets in case of a downturn. On the other hand, the resistance levels are at 5 zeros, followed by 2000 and 2200. These levels could pose challenges for Floki's upward journey. However, the confidence among investors is palpable. They are holding long positions, indicating faith in a strong upward trend. This confidence, coupled with the bullish indicators, makes Floki a cryptocurrency to watch closely in the coming days. Both short and long-term indicators are signaling a bullish trend for Floki. So whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a curious onlooker, keep your eyes peeled for Floki. It might just surprise us all with its performance. But what are the key levels and trends we should be aware of? Let's dive into the technicalities of Floki's performance. Floki's trend can be described as bullish, which in layman's terms means we're seeing a consistent upward movement in its price. This is a positive sign for investors, as it indicates potential for further gains. But why is this trend important? Simply put, it gives us a sense of direction. Knowing the trend helps traders to align their trading strategies with the market movement, increasing their chances of making profitable trades. Now, when we talk about key levels, we're referring to specific price points that the market has shown to either resist or support in the past. These levels are crucial as they often act as psychological barriers where the price tends to either bounce back or break through. In the case of Floki, the key support levels are at 0.01750 and 0.00160. Support levels are like safety nets, preventing the price from falling further. They represent a level where there's enough demand for the coin to keep the price above these points. If the price falls below these levels, it could signal a bearish reversal of the trend. On the flip side, we have resistance levels at 0.00200 and 0.00220. These are like glass ceilings where the price struggles to break through. They represent a level where there's enough supply of the coin to keep the price below these points. If the price breaks through these levels, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend and potentially open the way for further price rises. So, what does surpassing these levels mean for FLOKI's price? Well, surpassing a resistance level is usually seen as a bullish sign. It means that the buying pressure has overcome the selling pressure, paving the way for further price increases. Conversely, if the price falls below a support level, it could lead to a sell-off as investors may panic and start selling their holdings. With resistance levels at $0.02 and $0.002200 and support levels at $0.001750 and $0.0016, FLOKI seems to be on a strong upward trend. It's an exciting time for FLOKI and its investors, and we'll certainly be keeping a close eye on these key levels and trends in the future. And how are investors reacting to FLOKI's performance? Well, a quick look at the market data reveals a fascinating trend. Investors, it seems, are striking a decidedly bullish stance when it comes to FLOKI. The prevailing investor sentiment is one of optimism and confidence. This optimism is not unfounded or whimsical, but rather it's rooted in the positive price action FLOKI has been exhibiting. The key clue to this confidence? The fact that many investors are holding on to their FLOKI for the long haul. In the world of investing, a long position is essentially a bet that an asset's price will rise over time. By holding long positions, FLOKI investors are signaling their belief that the upward trend of this cryptocurrency isn't just a temporary blip, but a sustained trajectory. You see, in the roller coaster world of cryptocurrencies, investor sentiment can often be a vital indicator of a coin's future performance. When investors are bullish, their buying activity can drive up the price of a coin, creating a positive feedback loop that further fuels the bullish sentiment. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy of sorts. In FLOKI's case, the positive sentiment data suggests that this coin has captured the imagination and confidence of its investors. They're not just riding a wave of hype or speculation. They're making calculated decisions based on the coin's performance, its trend lines, and its key technical levels.